Today with 16 grams of protein and 100 calories, I have chicken of the seas, Maple Smokehouse Salmon. And what goes better with maple than sweet potatoes? I'm gonna go ahead and roast some of these up in the air fryer at 400 for about 15 minutes. You can also do them in the oven at 425 for about 20 to 25 minutes to get them good and crispy and roasted. I'm working with frozen, so you cook them from frozen, don't defrost them first. Those potatoes came out so crispy and pretty. Nice and roasted. Now that we have our nice roasted potatoes, I'm gonna go ahead and get those into our bowl. Now for our salmon taste test. Oh, you can smell the smoke on this one. Good sized pieces. Mmm. That maple is there, but it's not overpowering. Mmm. Mm-hmm. I'm proud of that mashup. That maple is, of course, amazing with the sweet potato. And the flavor on that salmon is really, really light. It's not super fishy, which salmon can sometimes be. Very happy with this one. Very happy. If you want more ideas of what to do with these amazing little packets, I created an entire freebie, every brand, every flavor. Link for that is down in the description. If you want to follow along with more of what I do with these packets, check out this playlist. Remember, cook for one, have some fun, waste none. And I'll see you in the next one.